and welcome back to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we are going to be working on this Audi A4 and we're going to be changing the boot locking mechanism. Now you're on this video, you probably already realize this is a super unreliable part and maybe even that these are a super unreliable car, but we'll get to that later. It's a super straightforward job. You literally have two 15 mils. We're going to pop the trim off the back of the tailgate, etc. I'll show you when we get there, but before we do get started, I wanted to let you know we have this available at Parts Factory, and by the way, it's actually modified to be more reliable than the genuine part. So bear that in mind when you are shopping around. I think they're currently $63.30, but I'll put all the details in the title. You can go to the bottom of this video, click the description, you'll see the part there available. If you want, we'll send it to you free express post anywhere in Australia, or if you're in overseas, international, we can even organize FedEx for you. So definitely check that out. Guys, one last thing before we do jump into the tutorial. We have been sponsored by Southport Wreckers. That's a wrecking yard. That's how we're using all these cars at our disposal. Basically, all they've wanted me to tell you is that if you're in the market for a used engine, check out their website. Anywhere in Australia, they'll send you the engine. It's super cheap to get it sent via freight, or toll freight rather. Yeah, so make sure you check that out. I'll also leave that in the bio of this video. Alrighty guys, let's jump into the fit. As you can see guys, Southport Wreckers basically has any engine you might need for any car pretty much in Australia. So if you do require a used engine, make sure to check them out. Alrighty guys, here's your boot lock. Pull this plastic trim off and you can see that it exposes it a bit better. You can get in there a bit better. Now, if you cannot get your tailgate open, you need to crawl into your back seat, pull the trim off here. I believe it's just plastic clips guys, all the way around. There's no screws or nothing. And then you can use this little, see how that unlocked it? You can, basically just press that and yeah, it'll manually pop open. I'm assuming you're replacing this unit because electronically you're having problems with it. So yeah, once you do that, you can then open your tailgate and you can access it like we've got it, and then we can put the new one in. All right, so we're gonna start with this electrical plug. What you do is just have a constant pressure pulling on the wire, but not too much, just a little bit. And that way, as soon as they unclip, it pops off. As you can already imagine, you might have already even left this video because it's super duper easy guys. What is it, a 13? Yep, 13 mil. Pop it off. One more here. You can even grab your little bolts, put them out of the way, and hopefully just, wow. Well, that was incredibly easy, guys. That's it. So now you can grab your new one, which hopefully you've already ordered and it's sitting in front of you. You can do a quick comparison and go, yeah, clearly that's the one. You put your new one back up, like so. Of course, you got your 313s, tighten them up. The center one in first, so that the unit holds itself up in the air. Always go in reverse first. Because when you go in reverse, it lines the thread up for you, and then you can finish it off with the rattle gun. But if you're a professional like me, you just send it. No, I'm kidding, don't do that. Right, so tighten it up. Now don't forget your electrical plug, because if you put it all back together and you forget the plug, you'll be pulling it all back apart. And then remember, a little cover. You may or may not have that. If you don't, it's okay. It'll still function as intended. Slide it on, heat it up. And of course at this point guys, before you put your trim back on, you test to make sure it works. I'm not going to because I won't be able to get this car to boot back up again. But other than that guys, you then hopefully have a functioning tailgate again, which is going to be convenient when you go off shopping and doing whatever you do. Alrighty guys, if you have appreciated this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. You already know why that helps me, so I'm not even going to get into it. And guys, again, we have this part available. If you want it, click the link in the bottom. We'll send you, you'll cruise it It'll send you over to the website. You can check it out, check out all of our products and whatnot. And other than that, guys, my name's Lucas Strabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.